You are now watching my affordable skincare routine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So for today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys an affordable skincare routine, and all the products are all under £10/$10. So yeah, that is really cool for anybody who's looking for a skincare routine under a budget. And I've been using all these products for like about a month now, and some of them even over a month. And I got everything from today's sponsor, which is YesStyle. So thank you YesStyle for sponsoring this video. And also you guys, be sure to stay until the end of the video because I do have a giveaway coming. You get a chance to win a gift card to spend on YesStyle. So YesStyle allowed me to pick some products from their combination skincare set. Because I do have combination skin. So the first product that I got is the Purito Defense Barrier pH Cleanser, and this cleanser basically reminds me a lot of the CosRx pH low pH cleanser. It's really good if you have sensitive skin because there is hardly any scents in it. When I went on the YesStyle website, it had so many good reviews for people who have sensitive skin, and I use this every morning for my morning routine, and I also use it at night for my night routine as well. So the next step in the skincare routine is the Secret Key Snail Repairing Toner, and I love this toner because it's so thick and it leaves my skin feeling so soft. It's super moisturizing and it leaves your skin feeling very bouncy. This toner, I think it was like £6 on the website, and it has so many good reviews. So you guys check that out if you want to see the reviews, because it's got really good reviews on there. And it's very hydrating. So if you've used like a really stripping cleanser or something, this will basically help to bring back the moisture into your skin. And this is definitely one of my new favorite toners because I only have like 3 or 4 toners that I really like at the moment. So yeah, this is one of the ones that I'm going to be using more towards the fall and winter seasons because it's so thick and moisturizing. The next thing is the, I think it's pronounced Lupine Sentinel Calming Gel Cream. So when I picked this cream out, I picked it out because I saw Hiram. I don't know if you guys know Hiram. He's like this skincare specialist on YouTube. He's always talking about like really cool skincare brands that you should try out, and this was one of the brands that he mentioned. It's really great if you have sensitive skin or like oily type of skin. He also mentioned that this has amazing ingredients and it has really good reviews on their website, so check it out as well. And it's very cheap, so it has amazing ingredients and it's affordable, which is a win-win. Next thing is the Claire's Vitamin C Drops. I'm only including this in because I always use this after my toner. Vitamin E mask as well. If you guys check my last skincare routine that I use this for like a month or something. The combination of those two on my skin really loves it. It's good for brightening the skin. The vitamin C serum and the vitamin E mask is very moisturizing as well, and you can find them all on YesStyle. And then at night I basically do the same thing all over again, except if I've used makeup I will double cleanse. And also I use this mugwort sheet mask from the brand I'm From, I think that's what it's called. And you can buy like these little sheet masks on YesStyle. I think they're like £3. This sheet mask just feels so luxurious. It does have a slight like medicinal smell to it, but other than that it's really good. I've seen a lot of people who have acne prone skin use this, and they've said that this works really well for their skin as well. It's super hydrating and it brightens up your skin, and it just feels so cooling onto the skin. So that's it for this affordable skincare routine. I'm just in love with like Korean skincare routine because I've literally seen an improvement in my skin. My skin is a lot brighter, it's a lot more clear as well. So for the giveaway, I'm going to pick 3 winners, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me and Yesta on Instagram, and comment which products you would like to try from this video as well. So yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do to enter this giveaway. So yeah, good luck guys. I hope you guys like enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You